Happy Halloween! Usually, pag ganitong time, nasa poblasyon tayo, nasa parties tayo na costume and all, but this time, I think I have matured. Well, not really matured, but nakahanap na ako ng ibang channel to enjoy the Halloween Eve. So instead of partying in the clubs, we'll party tonight, but it will be in the nagbe-blur lagi. Parang may napapakita sa likod. It will be in the pickleball courts. Pickleball court. Or courts maybe. Hindi natin alam kung saan tayo mapadpad tonight. But sad lang, I'm not playing with Jin. I will be playing alone tonight with some of our friends from Proserve. Fun! Sobrang saya. Ang dami na costume sa loob. Ako lang yung lang costume. Pero may papakilala ko sa inyo. Ito na. Sino ba siya? Shoota, sino to? Madam?
Yes.
Ni hao. Pasalubong ako. Kay Sister Hong. The Power Twins.
Ikaw pala yung manluloko eh.
Kapag yan kalaban niya, patay kayo. Everyone's here enjoying the party. Alex! Our parties are now pickleball parties, not in a club, but same fun, same level of intensity. Time to drink. Sobrang tagal ko na hindi uminom. Inom tayo tonight. Let's go! Thank you, Proserve. Alright, one. Two, enjoy content. Video, I'm good. Itlog. Grabe. Uwi na kami. Hindi pa sila tapos. Tapos na. And it's 3 a.m. Bye-bye! Bye! Because it's 3 a.m. Sinusundan. Nano kami ng mga aso. Sige, nakabidyo ka.
Ay.
Nakabidyo ka. It's been a while since inabot tayo ng 3 a.m. sa streets, but
Okay?
Hindi.
Cementerio mukbang. Saan nyo yan nakuha? Saan nyo nakuha?
Yung alin?
Yung pagkain nyo? Doon sa walang lock?
Anong eksena nung ano mo, bigote mo? Sabi na ka palagi. Nila po.
Okay na yan.
Natin Tignan niyo yung punta ng mami ko. Coachella version yan. Ano ba? Pinitas ko yun isa-isa kahapon.
Hindi pwedeng Diwali. Diwali yan. Yung ganyan yung ginawa natin. Coachella.
Wala na. Uy, mainit. Yung puti, hawakan mo. Mainit. Bili tayo ng gano'n, oh. Bibigay ko.
Pwede mo naman lagay yung barya sa...
Ayoko magbukas ng ano doon.
Hello, we're back. And we're here for another rest. Rest ba talaga? It's Christmas. Good morning. We're supposed to play at 6 a.m. pickleball. Hindi kami nagising. Hindi kami nagising kasi Friday night we played until 3 a.m. in the morning. And then Saturday, woke up early. Pero it's nice na puntahan namin sina tita, and kapag laro din tayo, so today we'll just rest and enjoy. Saan tayo pupunta? Saan tayo pupunta? So nice to be active, guys. Yung previously around this time, pag nagising ako, it will take around 1 hour at least bago ako gigising. But it's easier to move. You're not dragging yourself out from the bed. So yun yung mga benefits na nakukuha ko from actively playing and actively moving. Kasi it's not just every day that I play, but now I make a conscious effort of moving around. Like if I won't be able to play for 2 days consecutive, sometimes hindi actually siya voluntary, but sometimes I walk from the office to bahay. You know, that kind of things that we don't appreciate every day. Ngayon na-appreciate ko siya. Nagagawa ko hindi lang dahil it's healthier, it's also practical, and wala, it keeps my mind sound, and ang dami ko na namang sinasabi. But yeah, dito saan? Hindi ko maalam. Gutom. Rinig ka mo sigaon. It's Christmas na.
Mas better wala.
New toy for pickleball.
What's namin sir? 30 months na po na doctor na to.
Hello. So we're here at MOA. May hinahanap lang kaming bagong toy for our pickleball games and lahat kami down na yung spirit. Pagod. So since di pa tayo nag-coffee and every time we get a chance to drink yardstick coffee, kahit sa area na may yardstick, we always find time to sit down and enjoy. So, yeah, one of our favorite coffee is... Sorry, may mga side comments kayo naririnig dito. Tagalog. Isa. Nasa?
May kasama na ba siyang
Pendant. Ah, okay din pala yung white.
Ito ko yan. Strap pa. Sa kamay.
Maganda yung black tulo.
Ah, ikaw na.
Okay. Okay na kuya?
Go explore. Go enjoy. Go capture. Go create. Ito yung pinaka-importante. Go create. Sana totoo.
Partner kami. Go lang. 0-1. Hindi ko na-expect. Ay, tayo na pala. Taas? Nice one. 1-2. Sorry, ang taas. Ikaw yung nag-call. 2-2.
This is just in Mandaluyong, so it's near to us. Super nice games. And a restroom. And the best part, they have parking. So you won't worry. All your cars are secured. And they're open anytime you want to play. Grabe. Supposedly I'm not playing tonight, but here we are. 0-0-1, 0-0 day of not playing pickleball. Grabe pawis. Para ako naligo. Stop!
Nandaya ka, natalo ka pa. Nandaya ka.
Recorded. Breakfast. Ay! Meron. Meron one po. Ako meron.